What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful, slightly chilly Florida day, and we are here with I Do Stuff Chanel, Brian, and we're about to have lunch at one of the local spots that's quite delicious. Let me introduce you to Pudgee's, famous hot dog place that originally started right up the road that way in a little concession trailer, and now they've grown up. They've got some of the best ice creams and milkshakes here. They got their famous hot dogs as well as a full menu, so gotta love hot dogs if you want to park here. Go ahead and check out their menus right here. Got quite the selection. New specials every Thursday. So that would be yesterday. But they even have the Florida Swamp Dog. We'll go inside in just a second, so stay tuned for that. So as we step inside, we're greeted with Grumpy Gator Bites. And we got the menu boards here, and around. We even got an electric one. And looking at this side, got cars, a couple booths. And the lovely ladies taking the orders. As we continue around, you can get sauce. Wonderful. Oh, neat kitschy cool kitchen sign. Some of the magazine articles. How cool is that? Restrooms, ATMs for convenience. Sorry. Human being. A grizzly warrior. Hey, that's just for you. Okay. Yeah. It's there. Myself, I'm getting the triple espresso milkshake with the butter pecan ice cream. So they're making that now. We'll see what it's like when it's done. Woohoo! So lunch has arrived. We've got the Florida Swamp Dog, delicious looking alligator bites, and Brian got a burger, and here we go, a triple shot espresso butter pecan ice cream milkshake. Let's dig in.
Like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.